Hey everyone, I'm sorry if you hear talking in the background. It's just my family outside working on our garden. But anyways, I just want to give a shout out to Italy R. She's so nice. I love her so much. She's scam free. And I love her user. And yeah. Sub or else she'll snatch your weave. Honestly, I don't know what I'm saying because I'm bored. But I also want to give a shout out to this girl. Because she's really nice and scam free. Alright, hold on. Honestly, I'm really bored, but I don't really know what to do because I don't start school till September something, and I've just been really busy with a lot of things and I didn't have time to record, so there's gonna be a bunch of videos coming because I don't really know why. Wait, oh gosh, I just told you. But yes, there will be more videos coming soon, and I hope your day is going well. Mine is okay, but yes. So I guess that's it. I just wanted to make another short video. And I'm hoping Carson comes back because I miss him a lot. I've been bored without him. I don't know what to do right now. But alright guys, I'll be doing a live later. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later.